Say hi. Your first applesauce. You want some num-nums? Eat it. Mmm.
No, we're not gonna play.
You like that? She says, forget this bib thing, man. Num num. You like it? Looks like you like it.
Mmm.
First applesauce in this lifetime. You're definitely an old soul. I can tell you've done that before lots of times in your other lives.
Mmm. Num num.
Num num. She makes a sound and everything. She's actually doing really good. She ate all that?
Mm-hmm.
Jeez Louise, you almost cleared your plate. You're gonna be big as a horse. Well, hopefully not as big as a horse, but maybe a small pony. Wow.
Woo!
Applesauce. I think you're gonna finish your whole plate. I think you did. Did she? Oh, now she's trying to stick her hand in it. But yeah, it's pretty much gone.
It's gone.
Wow. Holy shnikey. This is amazing. You ate it. You eat your whole plate. What a good little eater you are.
Ta-da!
Say hi. Pew. Pew. You liked it? Oh, that's good. Well, there you go. Huh. She ate her whole first plate of applesauce in one sitting in less than 5 minutes. So that's pretty promising, I'm not gonna lie. 90% longer than baby girls her size and age. 90% longer? We'll see what that means in the end. Alright. This little interview is over, man. Say bye. Bye.